No, not that way. Go out the front, Lucy.
This way.
Good girl. Yes.
No. This
Out
way.
the front.
This way. You're gonna fall.
She wants to sit down again. And the only way she can get her feet in front of her is doing the leg over.
Okay.
She's doing fancy feet.
Fancy feet.
Haley, back off, please.
There you go. There. Is that a good spot for you? You like it in there? Lucy, you like it in there? Go.
100 degrees to go.
Here's another one.
She hasn't learned to stand up, standing straight, turn. So when she